One day, I blinked, and the sky ruptured in front of me. I tried to reach the ones I love, anyone, but all was left were empty streets and woe. And I am stuck here.